everybody, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be making fun of my friends. Yay. So, just so you know, if you're one of my friends and this is your channel, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. I'm doing this just for fun. So, yeah, if you get a little bit mad, it's not my fault. Anyway, let's get to this. So, the first, video is by Onyx Royal, which is my friend, and it's just messing around. So I've only seen the beginning of this video, and I thought it was kind of cringy, so I'm going to react to it right now. Let me just turn up this volume. There. Okay, so I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1. Go, Gert! This is intro. Very nice. And then it's a picture of a warning sign. Get ready to be amazed.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today,
I could barely hear him.
Way too fast. Sorry if you hear screeching. Alright, it didn't screech. Alright, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, what I have for you guys is my motorcycle showcase. So basically, I'm going to show you my new motorcycle, and yes, I just can't believe how beautiful it is. Dang, it's just really beautiful.
Okay.
And it is kind of old though, but it looks brand new to me, at least to me. So, without further ado, let's show you it. So, get ready, pull up your pants, get ready for your jaws to drop,
there.
And here we go. So there is my motorcycle, guys. It is my ride home for now on. It's my ride for now on. So yeah, it's my ride.
You start
It
scooching.
definitely works. Pay $250,000 for this thing.
Why are all my friends like bad liars too?
$250,000 for this motorcycle, man. It's
And then the audio like cuts out because I can't even hear him. I could barely hear him.
It's totally. There we go, guys. So I will get back to you in a second. Bye.
Okay, so that was the first video, 2 minutes long. Very interesting. Yeah. Now let's react to Drunk Boy TV's video. 64 subscribers and I'm bullying my friends for a video. Anyway, this is Drunk Boy TV, and this is called the worst video ever. Have I seen it? No. Let's watch it.
What is going on, guys? I am back with you guys in another video of Drunk Boy TV, and usually you guys, well, aren't you supposed to be doing gaming right now? No. I'm actually doing hide and go seek with my...
No. No, I know this video. Great. This is when he wanted to do hide and seek for a vlog, and I said, whatever, I'll just do it and title it, "We Are So Bored, Help Us." If you guys haven't seen that video, good. But, oh god. This is gonna go well. Like, really well.
Friend, we got a couple kids.
I also love how it says, Cyberlink by Power Director. So
It's right there. They're just gonna play, and yeah, so we're gonna do that right now, and I'll see you guys when we're there. Just Dominator or 4 check out his channel.
Link in the description. He's gonna be recording a video too.
Oh, I do gaming too.
Yeah, he's gonna do a gaming video.
And yeah, So yeah, so they're just gonna be here waiting for us. I don't want.
He's so like he's like shaking his camera like.
For you guys, so we're just gonna get started with it, and I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so those are the kids that we're playing with. They are actually we're playing hide and go seek. We just wanted to do something fun.
He was recording this with a selfie stick, just saying, by the way.
Last time in my other video on my old channel, he wanted to, I told him to be a big fan. So, hold up, I don't want to interrupt him. Yeah, so, yeah, he's just a fake fan for now. And you guys are going to get mad at me. But you know what? It is what it is. So, yeah, we're just going to get started to the video. I don't want to bore you guys again. Let's go. Alright, guys. I'm just going to close my eyes and we're, I think. What do you want to tell me?
Jeez. That wind is so annoying.
Yeah, if you guys want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's just go. Who cares? Alright, we're gonna go. Ooh, you got a hand? Let's go. I saw someone over here.
Jeez, that zoomed in view though.
Okay, so my friend.
Oh, there's someone in there over there. Look, I just spotted him.
Oh, he's right there.
Alright, come on, keep going. Let's pretend that we didn't see him.
Okay.
You don't see? Do you see him? You don't see him?
No, I see him.
Alright, just pretend that we're not looking at him. Alright, guys, they're sorry about the wind. I need to get a wind screen on my. Check the trash can. So they usually go hide in there.
Right there. Go to the other side. Got him, yeah. Guys, come on. Is that him? Wait, is that him? Oh, my brother. Oh,
Why is he so zoomed into the grass? Just like zip, zip. What am I doing? Zip, zip, zip. Wait. Let's continue.
Alright, you
found
guys.
this kid.
What's your name again? My name is Brian. It's us.
My name is Brian. My name is Brian.
His name is Boy.
Can you record? Hey, Dominic.
Okay, we're done. That's annoying. Let's look for another one. Yay. I'll tell you guys when I found one. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, I'm just gonna end it here. I forgot to say that first. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below. Let's aim for 2 likes, and yeah. You guys could check out all 2 of these videos in the description down below. Anyway, it's been good. I don't know what I just said there, but yeah. Peace.